Not that's rich. You spent a lifetime perfecting your technique. Years of voice lessons, acting classes, years of dance. Look at that line.
Where'd you study?
Europe.
Oh, and now you're the toast of Broadway.
Oh, you're too kind.
Or should I say Danish?
Danish.
Didn't it used to be Denmark?
Denmark?
As in Judy Denmark?
Don't be ridiculous.
As in 2 years ago, you were a housewife.
Guards? Who are you? What do you want? I'll give you E. Don't worry about it. E?
I want the exclusive, the Judy Denmark story, your story.
I don't give exclusives.
Listen, honey, this housewife thing is going to break wide open whether you like it or not. I'm giving you the chance to tell it in your own words.
Can I sing it?
Please.
Boys? Once life was simple and Andre knew I was an ordinary nothing just like you. Sorry. Oh, how I love to cook and clean, my life an open magazine, just like every happy housewife way back when. But it can never be that way again. I lost the apron, I found my voice, and now I live my life on stage. I have no choice. A woman doomed to entertain must use applause to ease the pain when she gets that old familiar housewife yen. But it can never be that way again. Do you think I like this? Do you think I want this? I was happy and fulfilled as a housewife. Now look at me. Did you think I would give up a sold-out matinee just to do a couple of loads of laundry? Do you know what it's like to lie in bed night after night, fighting the urge to defrost your freezer? Or to iron just a pillowcase on a hanky, but I must starve. Now people love me from the hell to Maine. So it's goodbye to apple pie, bonjour champagne. Perhaps to you this won't make sense. I'll always miss my picket fence and the way my life was simple way back when. But now I star in Broadway shows, 'cause in my veins the talent flows. This time